Okay, so this is presidential suite.
Presidential suite.
How big?
It's 220.
Oh, you have good smell there. Better than another smell.
Yes, the smell. This is actually specially fragranted for Conrad Osaka. They sell the smell, the fragrance, at the 40 lounge and the 40 bar Sky Lounge that you have actually seen.
But the room doesn't have the smell.
The room,
No.
this one. Yes. And if you open the door over here, you can actually have access to the kitchen area so that the food, hot meal, can be prepared here and can be brought directly.
Or pick up from the executive lounge.
The executive lounge, that as well, or have it prepared here. And here you have the view of the river as well. The
River downstairs.
river. Yes, and you have the Osaka Station view as well. Have you tried getting lost in the big Umeda station?
No, I'm fine.
Oh, okay. Very smart indeed. Because usually we get a lot of comment that the guests
So
they get
lost.
lost in the Umeda station, the Osaka station.
So just like in cinema, lost translation.
The cinema for journalists. Yes. And actually, the guests can enjoy the bathtub with a view, and especially at night, it is incredible with the dim lights and the red bathtub that reflect against the
So
light.
up top have light.
Yes. And this area has an access to the living room as well.
So what is that?
And this would be the bedroom.
Bedroom.
And of course the bear and the duck again in all the guest rooms.
But same duck, no premium one.
No premium one. But the bear, the
And
fabric changes.
but key is same.
The keys
From
yes,
same room?
inside. The same different room, I hope. This would be the walk-in closet, probably bigger than my room. Yes, and you can have direct access back to the living room as well.
Так, a shower is there.
This will be the toilet.
Toilet.
Yes, a large toilet.
Так, but where is bathroom? Bathroom.
Bathroom, yes.
There, yes.
Yes. The showers.
So this one.
Yes, and the bedroom. And of course the flowers
The
in the exclusive